In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an SMTP plugin on your WordPress site to ensure your emails are reliably sent and properly authenticated. We'll use a popular plugin like WP Mail SMTP to get everything up and running smoothly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the plugins section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to expanding the functionality of your site. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type in WP Mail SMTP. You'll see it pop up in the plugin list. Go ahead and click Install Now, and then Activate. The plugin is now ready to be configured. Now that you have the plugin installed, head over to the plugin settings. You'll find these settings under WP Mail SMTP in your WordPress dashboard menu. This is where we'll configure the settings to make sure your emails are sent via Hostinger's SMTP servers. In the settings, the first thing you need to do is enter the SMTP details provided by Hostinger. Start by inputting the SMTP host address, which is smtp.hostinger.com. This tells your WordPress site which server to connect to for sending emails. Next, you'll need to specify the port. You have two options here, 465 or 587. Normally, 587 is used for TLS encryption, while 465 is used for SSL. This ties directly into the encryption settings, so make sure you select SSL TLS for the encryption method. This selection ensures your email communications will be secure as they travel over the internet. With these details inputted, it's time to enter your Hostinger email and password. This step is crucial because it authenticates your emails and assures their delivery. In the field labeled SMTP username, enter your full Hostinger email address. Then, in the SMTP password field, input the password for that email account. Remember that these fields are sensitive, so double check for accuracy. After you've filled out all the necessary information, don't forget to save your settings. There's usually a button at the bottom of the page for this purpose. Once everything is saved and looking good, it's time to test. Within WP Mail SMTP, you'll find an option to send a test email. This is an important step to ensure everything has been set up correctly. Click on Send a Test Email and enter an email address where you have access. It can be any email account you use, just to confirm that the emails are being sent as expected. Check your inbox to see if the test email arrived. If it has, congratulations! You've successfully set up SMTP mailing on your WordPress site using the WP Mail SMTP plugin. If not, recheck each detail to make sure you entered everything correctly, as it might take a little troubleshooting to get everything just right. And there you have it. You're all set to send emails from your WordPress site with the reliability and security of Hostinger's SMTP servers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.